back my 6th class student in my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and you are healthy and fit at your home. So student, this is your computer teacher Priyanka Rai ma'am. In the last video we have discussed the topic of sound and animation in PowerPoint chapter. Today also we will start the new topic from chapter number 4. Okay beta? In this topic we will see that how we can integrate the files and application, okay, in the PowerPoint, embedding and linking feature. Okay, so but before it you have to like the video and subscribe the channel to get the notification about new videos. Student, always remember that whenever you write comment in my YouTube comment box, please mention your name, class, roll number. Name, class and section is very important, because if you will not write, then how I come to know that my which dear student have commented. Okay, so do it proper. Let's start today. Sound and animation in PowerPoint. Okay beta, so let's start today topic. Importing data from other application. How we can import data from other application? It means that if you have made any file in Word, okay, or another software, so you can fetch that file, you can bring that file by using embedding and linking them as object in PowerPoint. Okay, so you can import files from the other application by embedding and linking them as objects in the PowerPoint. I will explain you embedding and linking feature also, but first of all let's see the steps that how we can add the another file from the different software in PowerPoint. First of all, the step number 1 is that you have to click on insert tab. Insert tab, you can see beta where it is. Okay, insert tab, you all know, file, edit, menu, insert, there it is. In the insert tab, then click on object in the text group. You can see this object, this is the text group and this is the object. So you will go to text group and you will click on the object. Then insert object dialog box will open. Click on create from file to use an existing file. Okay, the file which is already made, that file you can use. I will show one diagram, then it will clear. This is your step number 2, insert object. You can see this insert object, it is in your book also. I am explaining you side by side. You can open your book also and correlate my explanation with the book topics. Okay, so in this insert object you can click on Microsoft Excel worksheet, or you can click on another which you want. Beta, step 2 and step 3 both are in this diagram only. In step 2 you will select from here, and in step 3 you will click on create from file. This option you will select, create from file. Okay, then click OK. Now see the other step. Type the name in the file box or click on browse. Okay, browse means it will search. In the browse window, locate the file you want to embed and click on it. How? Let's see. You can see this. This option is create from file. When you will click, then the option will come browse. Which option will come? Browse option will come. Okay, so you will click over it. You will click on this option, step 4, and then it will search the file, and then you have to click OK. The link of the file get inserted in the file box. Where it will be get in the inserted? File box. Click on OK to close the insert object dialog box. The text get inserted in the slide. To edit it, double click on the object. If you want to insert new file, then you have to double click on the object, then the another will come. Clear? This diagram will explain you. You can see now the file which you have browsed, it is coming here. Okay, so you will click OK. When the file will come, you can see step 5. Step number 5 is what? You have to select the file and then you will click on OK. When you will click on OK, you can see this dialog box properly. You in the previous diagram what I have shown you, you will click on browse. Okay, after browse this window will open, so you can select your particular file which you want to insert, click OK. So that address, that particular address will display in this. You can see this, your address is coming here. Okay, and then you have to click on the OK button. Which button you will click? OK button. Beta, please go through this topic properly from your book also, because it is little bit complicated, little bit. Okay, So if you will go through your book and correlate my topic with your book topic, then easily you can understand it. Now I will explain you what is embedding. Embedding means that the object is inserted as a copy of original document. You can edit it, but the change will not be seen in the original source file. Okay, whatever change you will do, it will not be in the original file. Like आपने word से कोई file ली और आप यू आर इंसर्टिंग इन द पावर पॉइंट. अब आप पावर पॉइंट में आपने चेंज कर दिया, उसके अंदर यू हैव चेंज सो मैनी थिंग, but that file will not change at the original position. It will be same as it is at the original position. Only one copy is there in the embedding. Okay, but what is the meaning of linking? Linking means that when an object is linked, information in the presentation will be updated if the source file is modified. अब अगर आपने लिंकिंग करा तो अगर आप वर्ड में कोई चेंज कर रहे हो, द सेम चेंज विल बी अपीयर इन पावर पॉइंट ऑल्सो. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड लिंकिंग. लिंकिंग में चेंज होता है इफ यू आर चेंजिंग द सोर्स फाइल. एम्बेडिंग में कोई चेंज नहीं होता in the copy file. There is no effect in the source file. I hope you understand. Please read this topic properly from your book. If any problem still you are facing, write in my YouTube channel comment box. Okay beta? So we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.